Hi everybody, how's everything going on? Welcome back to the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Olympus token, which is mentioned by OHMO initials, and talk a little bit about its fundamentals and about its project and a little bit about the price prediction of the O token. So let's go on it. At first, let's see what is Olympus DAO. In this post, which is from the morio.com website, it's an article about this token. We're going to see what is O token and what's going on in that project. I'll try to explain how Olympus works in low complexity terms. I hope it provides you with a good understanding of the problem we're tackling and how we aim to solve it. So what is the problem? So here we see that there's a problem going on the O project, as this article says, that we still do not have an independently valued digital currency. I think it's pretty well understood at this point that Bitcoin is not a currency. So it's going to talk something about the cryptocurrencies, and maybe it's going to be boring for us. So we go a little bit further how we are addressing the problem here. Okay, here how it works. Each O token is backed by one DAI. DAI is a stable coin such as Tether that its value is about $1 in the treasury. However, tokens can be mined or burned by one except the protocol. The protocol only does so in response to price. When O trades below one DAI, the protocol buys back and burns O. And I will tell you about the date of the article also. It's about 6 months ago, 2021. So it's about 6 months ago. And it says how does it work here. So it burns O. When O trades above one DAI, the protocol mints and sells new O. Because the treasury must hold one DAI and only one DAI for each O. Every time it buys or sells, it makes a profit. Either gets more than one DAI for the sale or spend less than one DAI on the purchase. So it was a good brief about how does the project work. And so how do I play this? The best way is to buy as close to the below one DAI as you can. The distance from one is the risk you take on. It's actually negative below one, regardless of where you buy, take stake or your own, or provide it to the sushi pool as liquidity and bond the LP token. In both cases, you earn more O over time. So here you see how you can earn more O by staking and what's going on in the project again. When can I play this? We are active in development, targeting a launch in March, which is past right now. We will announce details of our fair launch event closer to then. So ongoing minutes, we'll find out what happened in the March. Here is the prices. Here are the staker shared profits, supply staked, and stake daily yield, and anniversary yield also. I don't want to make you confused. So why O or Olympus? As compared to the algorithmic stable coins, which aims to maintain one-to-one peg to USD through rebasing. What makes O special is that it is an algorithmic currency protocol that aims to retain purchasing power. What this means is that O does not necessarily need to be $1. Its price can be higher based on market demand, which we see here today is like that. Okay, we go to the crypto hub and see what's going on in this article. It's newer one, September 2021. It's about several days ago. What's Olympus? Olympus is a decentralized storage protocol based on the O token, centralized and backed by Olympus DAO, Aka protocol controlled value PCV. Each O token will be backed by a pool of assets in Olympus which will keep the value of OHM stable and not depreciate like other tokens. Understandably, OHM is a reverse currency. In order to maintain price stability, Olympus will use the algorithmic reserve currency algorithm and also be supported by other decentralized assets. Here is the main official website of the project. We'll see what's going on there. Highlights of the Olympus DAO are here. You can check it here by yourselves. Here are the staking contracts and terms for staking O. Here it was a little less than $600. How Olympus works with game theory. With the aim of solving problems, Olympus DAO created O, a non-pegged stablecoin, by focusing on supply growth instead of price increase, and O will act as a currency capable of holding real estate prices, tell about market fluctuations. The operating principle of Olympus DAO includes protocol managed by Treasury, protocol-owned liquidity pool, bonding mechanism, and staking rewards. So it's something like proof of stake, and the more you stake, the more you gain. The way it works will be to sell bonds to generate profits for the protocol, and Treasury used to mint OHM and distribute to investors. Code 3.3 in the single staking section and 1.1 in the bonding section. I will explain in detail the meaning as follows. This is how it works, and you can gain in the terms of staking. So let's see what it says. The indicators will represent the corporation in Olympus. It will generate the greatest benefit. Game theory is a game theory applied to a protocol that analyzes behavior and decisions of the participants. You can simply understand that each user will have a point 1 based on the activities. The point level will change differently. There are 3 main activities, including staking, bonding, and selling. While you stake, the point is +2, while you bond is +1, and while you sell is -2. In staking, the most profitable action, both helping to increase the value of the O token and the return for the staker. So this is the best action if you prefer to earn money by O, is to stake it. And bonding, not as high as the stakes, but bonding provides assets to Olympus coffers. If you don't want to stake anyhow, you can bond it. But if you have some OHM tokens, if you sell them, this action will hinder an increase in supply of OHM and cause a price drop. If the selling volume is high, okay, this is obvious. It does the same for any other crypto assets. Of course, Olympus will not encourage participants to sell in the protocol. All we encourage for the common good of the community. This is the table of states. That how does it work? It's a kind of matrix that shows if you stake, if you stake bond, if you stake sell, what happens to your asset and investment. If you stake and bond, stake and sell, and stake again. It's a matrix. Okay, let's see what the main project official website www.olympusdao.finance says. It says what stake means, what bond means, and whatever. Let's see what stake telling about. Single stake 3x3 universal. Okay, 7,232%. It's something like total, and you can connect any kind of wallet that supports OHM token. Stake it right through here. It supports the Connect Wallet application and several other things. And also, let's see what bond means and treasury balance. Oh, right now it's $836. And if you bond or DAI LP, you can have something like this in your wallet. While it was $793.99, it's been staked, and one for $6 million, one for $7 million. These are the platforms that you can bond it with, and these are the prices. And also here you see the discounts related to the bond. And I guess please read the white paper also to see what happens to the project while the time is going on. in several later months to see how does O token work. Thank you for watching this video. If I see anything more about the O token, I will update this video and make a new one for you. It was just to introduce this kind of project and see what has happened to the project since 6 months ago till now. And please make some comments and subscribe the channel, and also make me to be motivated to continue these kinds of videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye for now.